What's up guys, welcome back to the GoodView Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and in this video we're going to go over a frequently asked question, which is, should I seal the edges when pouring a river table? What about seal coats? What is a seal coat? So in this video we're going to go over what a seal coat is and is it necessary? So if you've seen in my other videos, like my last pro tips video, I show you that you must seal the edges to rid your epoxy of bubbles. And that's true. One way to get rid of bubbles in your river is to seal the edges. The problem with sealing the edges though is if you let the epoxy cure, it doesn't have a good enough bond. And a lot of people, a lot of experts in epoxy would say that they never seal the edges, that they use a casting epoxy that sets up super slow, which allows the bubbles to rise and not get trapped in your project. So guys, in the upcoming project, we did part 1 of the side table build, and in that project I used Incredible Solutions casting epoxy, which I will link down in the description. And that epoxy has cured very, very slowly, which is really, really cool because I did not seal the edges in that video as a test to see if we got bubbles. And the thing is, it's set up so slow, I got no bubbles. And that's gonna give us the best bond that we can get. So what I wanna show you guys is I did not seal the edges of this wood. Now this is about 8 hours later after I've made this pour. And I want to show you guys, there are no bubbles. There are no bubbles in this pour at all. And the trick to that is getting an epoxy and a casting epoxy that cures very, very slowly. So unsealed wood with epoxy gives you the best bond. However, you may get a chance of bubbles. So if you don't want to have bubbles, use a very, very slow curing epoxy, or when you seal the edge, wait till it gets tacky but not fully cured, and then you can pour your river. And that would be the best way to ensure that you don't get bubbles and you get a good bond. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go over to goodviewwoodworks.com. I'll leave a link down in the description. We have some awesome pigments that you can go check out. We have 50 different colors. So if you guys want a custom color, you can mix and match, or you can select from what we have. We have great prices and we have a really cool product. So that's it for this video. If you would, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. You want to click all notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. And with that being said, guys, thanks for hanging out with us.